What do you think, Jack? You ready to go? He says yes. Let's go. Okay. Woohoo. I think the last of the snow has finally melted off under the eave. Yep, it is. That's a message. It's a message that we need to kick it into high. Excavating the tractor. He's going to start her up and he's going to go cut wood. And I am going to start the Let's Clean the Greenhouse project. Woohoo! Because it's a wreck in there. But we can fix that. Come on, Jack. Hurry, hurry. Hurry, hurry, Mr. Dude. Whoops. Get that propped open. Come on. Hurry, hurry. If you walk any slower, I'll be too old to clean the greenhouse. There you go. Oh, gonna have to turn the fan on. Hey everybody, it's Irene with BrainStormAcres. And this morning, I'm going to clean up the greenhouse. Henry is working on the tractor to get that started, and he's going to go cut firewood, and I'm going to work on the greenhouse. Got a lot of stuff stacked up here. Most of it is not trash. Some of it needs to be used now. Some of it just needs to be moved around. So it's going to take a while. Alright, first things first. Restack the compost. I do want to share this information here. CB uses, CB of CB's greenhouse and garden uses tinfoil over the top of his Dutch buckets when he grows tomatoes and stuff. And last year we tried that for the first time. The only thing I would say is something you need to be aware of is that if you're spraying with copper fungicide, which by the way works really well, it will eat the aluminum. So I don't know if you can see the light actually shining through this aluminum or not, but you can actually see through the foil here. It actually literally eats the aluminum foil away. So it's just something to be aware of. We haven't decided how we're going to do it yet this year, but if we do use aluminum foil, we may lay a thin layer of plastic over the top just to avoid that issue. It really wasn't that big an issue. I mean, they lasted well enough for the season. It's lunchtime.
And so far, I've spent 2 hours trying to get the tractor started.
Uh-huh.
More fun.
Yeah, well, we suspected the battery was no good. But last time it did work fine. So now it has died, which is sort of the way of batteries, especially around here. And yeah, so we've got a lot of cleanup done in here.
Irene getting an awful lot of stuff done in here.
Yeah, so now it's time to do a bunch more planting. But first it's time to get lunch.
We'll have to figure that out.
Yeah.
Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications because
there's obviously lots more going on. This whole thing here is going to become a hydroponics stripe here, and lots more plants going in here. Yeah.
We're going to run out of room in the greenhouse.
That's okay. By the time we run out of room, we should have room in the garden.
Hope so. Thanks for watching. We'll talk with you later.
Bye.
Bye.